In this video, I'm going to show you how to see hidden message requests on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here tap at DMs icon. Now here you got the list of all your conversations, and in order to see your hidden message request, all you have to do is right here tap at requests. There you will get your message requests. Now it says no message requests. I don't have any requests here, but there at the top where it says hidden requests, I got one, so I can tap on hidden requests and there I can see those requests, and now I can interact with them. I can open it up and read that request. Here I can also block this person if I don't want to get any messages from that person. Also, I can just delete that conversation, and also if I want to communicate with that person, I can hit on accept to move that conversation to my regular conversation list. Also, I can do the same steps from here, so just swipe to the left to bring up that options, and here I can accept, block or delete this request. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.